Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in the KitchenAid refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. There are 3 identical door beans mounted on the inside of the right side French door. They are used for storing jars, bottles, and the like. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place or keep the contents in. To get it apart, we need to open the right side French door. As we learned earlier, these 3 door beans are identical, so we can remove them exactly the same way. I'm going to do that with the bottom one. I'm going to press it up and slide it out. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to slide in a new door bean and place it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.